Pretty darn good in my opinion. I'm just lazy. This freaking big. It's already 4 o'clock. Is the best of so rude. Hello you guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's just gonna be a weekend vlog, I think. We don't really have any plans. We're just gonna go grocery shopping today, cook. Tomorrow we may or may not go get lunch with my dad. I don't know, because my dad, Michael, and my brother were supposed to go shooting, and then there's high winds, so they're not doing that anymore. And then my dad, I was like, well, do you want to go get food? And he's like, oh, him and my brother are doing something. And then he's like, we can meet up somewhere else. And I'm like, it's kind of far. And I'm like, I don't know, we'll see. So right now I'm heating up leftovers from Michael from last night. He got some carne asada nachos, and so he's gonna have those. We're gonna go grocery shopping. I do have to make a list before we go, and then because I'm gonna make flautas tonight for dinner, maybe beans and rice. I don't know. I'm just like I wanted to cook, but I'm also kind of like, not that the rice is easy, because rice is just in a pan, and the beans are not, neither of them are really hard, but it's just like a lot of dishes, a lot of like stuff. Like I don't know if I want to do all that right now. And then on top of that, the flautas you have to actually like fry, and frying is just a lot. We're gonna see if I actually end up doing that. I have to film a couple budget videos today, just because like I filmed a bunch last weekend. I clearly posted every day throughout the week, so I want to have more stuff in my drafts. And we're gonna go to Trader Joe's, Costco, Winco, just like the usual. And then after that, we will come back home. It won something. The day has been, well, I've just been relaxing and playing my game. I play Disney Dreamlight Valley, if you guys were wondering. I love that game. I go in and out with it, but right now I'm obsessed, so that's also what I want to come back home and do. But I also really need to edit. I have so many vlogs that I am behind on. I never even finished posting my Vegas vlogs, and those were from like 2 months ago. And so I need to get that together. One of them was edited. I think the last one is edited. I just have to do like a final watch through, do the intro and add music. So it shouldn't take me that long, and then I have to do a couple other things, but I'm just lazy. I think I'm gonna get acai bowls though, because I've been craving, and the place that I like that's near me, they close at like 5, and I'm like, I can't even go out to work if I wanted. So that's the plan. I've been talking for 3 minutes. I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Really, we left. Michael got he has been wanting a cafecito for like weeks, and
like a month, and he never got it.
He finally got it, so he got a frappuccino.
All my bubs.
And then I got my acai bowl. I'm so excited. There's not even any acai in here. It's ube with a little bit of chia pudding, which is why I love this place, because they have ube and it's so good. And then I get banana strawberries. This strawberry was like this freaking big. And then bananas, strawberries, granola, honey, and peanut butter. And it's so freaking delicious. Let's take a bite.
Look at this.
Look at this. Let me take a photo of it. It actually looks so good. Gotta get a little bit of everything.
Mm-hmm.
Cheers.
I want a strawberry and a banana in there.
Okay, well, I can't fit all on the same bite, so hold on.
Being stingy with the banana. That's really good. It's delicious. It's hit a craving that I did not know I had.
You said you were craving it last weekend.
I was.
We're gonna share this, and then we're gonna go to Winco, and then Trader Joe's, and then you guys can see it, but I gotta get water. Really only get water when Michael's here. Me and Eddie have gotten water together once. We also stopped at, because the Starbucks was near Navy Federal, so I got cash because the water place only takes cash. I'm gonna make flautas tonight. What do you want on them?
Sour cream, cheese.
Like queso fresco?
Queso cotija? Or fresco, whatever you want to do.
See what Winco has. Well, we're just gonna get water, so there's a cardenas next to it, but I feel like Winco's still cheaper. I'm gonna cheat and use the rotisserie chicken.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm gonna keep eating this and then get back to you guys in a bit. I'm lazy and I don't want to boil chicken, so I'm getting rotisserie chicken. Dude, they have garlic pepper and then they have lemon pepper chicken, which is crazy because some of these be looking real pale. I don't know if you guys know who Chris is, but she is like on a GLP-1. She makes her name's Priscilla, but she does rotis with Chris videos. She eats like a rotisserie chicken with you, and she goes to HEB because she lives in Texas, and they have lemon pepper chicken, but I never knew that they had them here, which is crazy. Okay, we're I'm getting stuff to make flautas, and then I'm trying to think of what I'm gonna have for the week. I think I'm just gonna have tuna. I didn't make a list, which is my bad, but I'm not gonna buy a lot, I don't think. Okay, we're still in Winco. We're still deciding, well, not deciding, we're still getting stuff. We're almost done. But this dude over here is like really, he has to look up which of these barbecue sauce is better. Honey chipotle
Just like what
or sweet and spicy.
profile
And they're
like,
$2.
no.
So I said, just get both.
No. Why would I spend money? I think I'm gonna get the sweet and spicy.
Okay. Anyways, we're almost done. And then we're gonna go to Trader Joe's, get water,
Yeah, that's
go to Cardenas, and then go home. I feel like it's so dark. I don't know. It's hot. I thought it was gonna be cold. It said it was gonna be 74, but it's like, can you pull this? It's like really sunny, so it, like, it's just warm out. With Trader Joe's, it's not more than I wanted, but it's fine. I got the new shrimp chips. They're garlic shrimp chips. I'm Filipino. Clearly, Asian have always loved a shrimp chip. They're very light. This is $4 though, I think, for the bag. They're lower in calorie, but honestly, I could get like that big bag from Costco or like something else from the Asian store, Asian market. And it would be cheaper. You wanna try?
Okay.
No? Not even one? You don't think you'll like it?
No, I don't want to disrupt the flavor I have in my mouth with shrimp chips.
It's already 4 o'clock.
You wake up so late, Mom.
He's annoying because he's the one that didn't wake up until 12:30. Okay, we're gonna go. We are back home. I'm gonna do a haul as always. I feel like, not that I got anything like new or like exciting, but I'm gonna show you guys anyway. Everything's kind of combined, so it'll just be like whatever I grab. First, I always get 2 of these every week from winco, the lime tangerine, like flavored sparkling water, some tomato bouillon. I have chicken, but I don't have tomato, so I wanted to get that. This tiny little thing was like 3 something. And then in this bag, some Michael stuff. Michael got these chewy chocolatey churro artificially flavored cookies. You want to try one on the camera for them?
Sure.
He also got more of the fruit rolls. I got one of these. I got 2 of these last week, but I didn't eat one, so I got one more just to have. I like these with the Nuri vanilla protein shake. I'm gonna try a cookie for you guys. Okay.
Okay.
The camera's not even on.
I taste it for real. Okay.
It's not focused. It's not focused. There.
I taste the churro. It's good.
Is it chewy?
It's not amazing, but it's good.
Is it chewy, chocolatey, and churro-y?
Yeah.
Okay. He decided on the sweet and spicy, by the way. Tortillas for the flautas. Salsa from Cardenas. I always have to have these in stock from Trader Joe's. The pink fiocchieri, I don't know, with the pink sauce. Always have to have these. I just always have to have one in the freezer because I swear it's like once every few weeks. I'm like, I don't want to make anything and I haven't really eaten much. I will eat that because it'll fit like in my calories. Shredded iceberg lettuce, mushrooms, pepper jack cheese, eggies. I decided I'm gonna make beans but no rice, so I got 1 can of beans because I'm not gonna sit here and boil some beans. And that was like $1 something, so it was cheap. I got bell peppers, serrano peppers, 2 avocados, a white onion, green onion for like just to have because I feel like you can always use that. Roma tomatoes. I have a pack in the freezer, but it's like running like I ate half of it already, so white corn. And then I want sausage this week for lunches, so I'm doing turkey smoked sausage, queso fresco, queso fresco, and then grandma for the flautas tonight. And then let me put some of the stuff away and I'll come back to do the other stuff. This is from Trader Joe's. I did not need this, but it's so good. And I feel like they don't always have it. I think it's a summer thing, but they don't always have it during the summer or like this time of year. The lemon mini sheet cake, you guys. I think I've talked about this in another vlog. This is the best, the best sheet cake flavor that they have in my personal opinion. But it is just so good. I'm obsessed with this. You have to try it. And then this is for my mom because my mom wanted these, the ube mochi pancake and waffle mix. So I got her one of those. I don't know how many she wanted. I was gonna call her and I didn't because I was like, she can get one for now. And then these are really good. I've been liking taking them to work. The sparkling lychee juice. These are so good, super refreshing. They literally taste like those like little lychee cups that I was talking about earlier. This is what they taste like. They're not super sweet either. There is 50 calories, but it is like 50% juice and it's really good. I really like them. And they're a nice like little like pick me up. There's no caffeine or anything, but just like a nice little pick me up in the afternoon when I'm in the office. And that's everything. I swear I thought I got more, but that's like, well, Michael bought stuff too. So like what I paid was like $70 for, or $50. I think I spent like $30 at Trader Joe's and then like, oh, but where's my flowers? Oh, they're over there. Okay. I got flowers too. And then, oh, a rotisserie chicken, that's over there. So that's everything we got. It's 5 o'clock right now. I'm probably not gonna start cooking maybe until like 6-ish, but I am gonna shred the chicken up right now so I don't have to do that later on. And then chill out for a little bit. I'm gonna change into some house clothes. And then we might go to the movies later on tonight. There's not really a lot out. I just went last night with Eddie and we watched The Devil Wears Prada 2. It was pretty good. I don't think it's better than the first one. I love Anne Hathaway, but her character is just so annoying sometimes. Also, Meryl Streep's such a good actress because, dude, she's such a bitch. It makes you want to hate her. It was good. I recommend watching it. I don't think it was like, some people were like, they really didn't like it. Some people really did like it. I thought it was funny. Other than that, all that's out is like Michael, like the Michael Jackson movie, Mortal Kombat 2, something called Sheep something. It has Hugh Jackman in it. And then the Super Mario movie. Is that it?
They had this movie about sheep.
Oh, sorry, I talked about that.
I talked about the Super Mario movie, Devil Wears Prada.
There was only like 5 or 6.
Yeah. The Shrek one.
Oh, the theater near us is like replaying Shrek. So, but I was like, I don't really want to pay to watch Shrek in a theater because like we can watch that at home for free. So we'll probably go watch Mortal Kombat 2, but that's at like 10. If you want to go, I say we look at tickets so that we get a good spot. I'm gonna finish putting stuff away and then we will shred some chicken. I've been such a bad vlogger, but here are the last 4 flautas that are frying, and then I did make my beans. He wanted them extra spicy, so there's 2 serranos and 1 jalapeno in here, so it's definitely spicy. But I realized that I saw this tutorial one time of this guy making beans and he puts cream cheese in them, and ever since I saw that, I put cream cheese in mine. Well, every time I've made beans I put cream cheese in, and it makes them so creamy and so good. And I forgot to get cream cheese, so there's not in here, but I did put some actual like cheese in here to make them kind of like creamier. So this is the consistency that we both like, is like kind of like like not super like blended, but like crushed, and then there's like still some whole beans. And then here's all of the other ones that are pretty much, well, they're done. Some are a little bit toastier than others. I kind of forget that when it's in the pan in the oil it doesn't look that dark, but then when you take it out and it kind of like drains, it does get a little bit darker, but that's fine. None of them are burnt like this, I feel. But that's like what happens when you get roll tacos or taquitos or flautas, like some of the stuff on the ends get burnt. Okay, here's the completed meals. Mine has lettuce, his doesn't. I'd say it looks pretty darn good in my opinion.
Actually, I want to try the beans first.
Okay. Spicy?
It's like a little sweet. It does have a little bit of a kick to it. Yummy. It is sweet because of the chili? I don't know.
Sweet?
Try it. It's like a little, you know what I mean?
I think it's just because you taste the beans.
Oh, it's good. Taquitos. They're really good.
Rate it.
A 9.
For the both or together or what?
Everything a 9.
What do you rate the flautas? Taquitos?
An 8.5. 8.5.
I've made better beans, I think.
I like these beans.
Okay, my turn.
You'll like them.
Okay. That bite didn't have a lot of like cream or sauce or anything on it, so it was like, I think I wish I chopped up some onion thin so I could put some onion on this, but I didn't do that. Alright, not bad for my first try. Maybe next time I'll make them a little bit skinnier so they'll be crunchier all over more. My hair looks weird because I just like randomly clipped it up. So we finished eating. I only ate 1. I kind of got the chicken ick. I think next time I make them, Michael liked them. I didn't not like them, but I was getting the chicken ick because I think there was just too much chicken in each one. Also, what's the difference? Flautas and taquitos. Which one has flour? Flautas have flour tortillas, or is it corn?
They're the same thing.
Okay, yeah, you guys can correct me in the comments. I kept saying flautas, but then Michael called them taquitos, but I know people say that one is made with corn tortillas, and that's what we use, so I don't know. I think next time I'm gonna make them with less meat, because I honestly was like, okay, I don't want to like be rolling a million and frying a million in one, so I was like, let me put like more, but I think I would enjoy them more if there was less in them, and then that way kind of I feel like it would get more crispy all the way around. I don't know. So we are gonna go see a movie. We're gonna go watch Mortal Kombat 2. I was gonna dig into my little sheet cake. I'm not gonna have too much. I'm only gonna have like 1 or 2 bites because I do want to have some more popcorn at the movies tonight. I just have to have a bite or 2 of this because it's so good. I don't like too much frosting. I only like a little bit. Are you sitting there because you don't want to be in my video?
I didn't want to interrupt.
Oh, I don't know. I just blew on it for no reason.
You're dumb. Sorry.
So rude. Michael's putting some hot Cheetos in a baggie for me to take. We're gonna go to Target real quick so we can get a couple other snacks, and then we're gonna head out. It's already 9:25. We shouldn't take that long. We'll have time to get there, get our popcorn and stuff, and get situated. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. I am like rushing because my dad was like, okay, we're like an hour away from like where we're gonna go get lunch, and I was like, okay. And like where lunch is still like 15-20 minutes away because of traffic, and so I kind of timed poorly in my head because then I was looking at my brother and his location, and I was like, oh my god, they're actually like they're passing by us already, and that was like 10 minutes ago, so they're definitely beating us there, but it's whatever. I just was like a little bit rushed. I was gonna put lashes on, and I feel like my brows look like a mess. It's whatever. We're not even doing anything today. We're just running errands and stuff, but we're gonna go to Costco today. We're gonna be over there, so I want to go to Ulta. I just need to ask my mom if she wants me to get this stuff or not, because oh yeah, we can go to the mall because Michael wants these pants. Well, let's see if they have them. I'll check online if they have them. That way we don't have to go if they don't have them. We've been listening to Drake's, well, I just listened to Iceman, but now I have Maid of Honor on shuffle. There's the one song that Kari and Pilo produced. It's what is it called? Too Good for, oh no, what is it? I don't remember what I said.
Something for the radio or something like that?
Oh yeah, Too Good for the Radio? Is that what it is? Too Hard for the Radio. That song's actually really good. All the other songs, oh my god, they had 2! That's what we're gonna listen to. And yeah, I feel like this is like a very rushed clip, but we're gonna go eat, and then I'll check in with you guys in a little